Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this video, we'll see deployments in Kubernetes. So deployments is Kubernetes object that come higher in hierarchy. The deployment provides us with the capability to upgrade the underlying instance seamlessly using rolling updates, undo changes, and resume as change required. So there are two types of deployment strategy. One way to upgrade this to a newer version and destroy all of this and create newer version of app instance. So this strategy is known as recreate strategy. In the second strategy, we take down the older version and bring up newer version one by one. This way application never goes down and upgrade is seamless. So rolling update is the default deployment strategy. Now we'll see how to create deployments replica sets. So let's begin the demo and start. So we'll create deployment. We have the file deployment.yml. So we'll start writing the file. So first I will give the API version. For deployment, as we know, we use app/v1, app/v1, and give the kind, give the kind. We'll use deployment as we are using deployment object. So now we'll give the metadata. Metadata. In the metadata, as you know, we provide the name, like give name, and give the my app deployment, and labels. Labels will give the app and give the name my app, and after that we'll provide type. So we'll give backend, and after this the most important section is specs. So to press enter, and keep the here will provide the replicas. So how many want? I've already created the videos of replica, create replica, replication control. You can watch and give the selector. The selector is very important. So after that, we'll provide the match labels, and give the app my app, and with the type to the backend. So I have already explained all this concept in my previous video. What is selector, what is match labels, and give the template, and again provide the metadata with labels. We'll use the same app my app, and give the type backend. And for container section, we'll again provide the spec, and with the containers, and we are using nginx container. Like I will give the name nginx container and we'll use the image nginx name nginx container, and we'll provide the image nginx. So this is our manifest file for deployment. So now we'll create the deployment. We'll move to the control plane mode. So let me check once code and copy and go to the control plane, and here we'll use the name bi deployment dot yaml, and you can use nano editor anything. Press I for insert and we'll paste the code. Yes. Now we'll save this as wq. Now we'll create the deployment with the command kubectl apply that deployment dot yaml. So you can see deployment gets created. We can check the command kubectl get deployments. So my app deployments gets created. We can check the pods nctl get pods. So you can see we have provided 3 replica, so 3 pods are running, and now we'll clear this screen. Control and so in this way you can create the deployment. And so in the next video we'll see more about deployments. So that's all from this video. Thank you.